Hi, my name's Lee. I'm with Frontier Ag and Turf in Hastings, Minnesota. Today I'd like to show you some of the new features on the John Deere E-Series skid steer with the Yanmar Tier 4 diesel engine. Once inside the spacious cab, some of the new features you will enjoy are the keyless push-button start. We have switchable controls, so you can switch from ISO to H to foot controls with the push of a button, and adjustable convenience lighting, which will light your path after a hard day's work. For daily maintenance, it's as easy as just opening up the rear hatch, which you'll see we've got the coolant level is right here, our fuel, windshield wiper fluid, and the oil. Very easy to maintain. Another really nice feature is you can check the hydraulic oil level without removing any of the panels. If further service is required, the side panels are removed very easily. And if you're working in dusty conditions, we have the optional reversing fan to help maintain a clean cooling system. Now that we've seen how easy it is to do the daily maintenance on these machines, I'll show you how easy it is to lift the cab and gain access to the rest of the engine and hydraulics. To lift the cab, you have to remove one bolt on each side of the machine. With the cab lifted, we now have access to the rear part of the engine. To gain access to the hydraulics, it's as easy as removing 6 bolts, and we'll be able to lift the floor pan out of the machine. And now we'll put it back together. So we've been able to show you just a few of the new features on the John Deere E-Series skid steers. For more information, stop in and see your local Frontier Ag and Turf salesperson.